Hi guys, I'm George.
And I'm Keisha.
And welcome to
Craft Life with the Sansburys. Yay!
Okay, here we go. Part 2, garage shelves. Thank you for tuning in. We're going to finish up the project on this video today. Throughout the video, I will be giving some little fun facts, tips and tricks in case you're going to attempt a project like this. And also, very important, have you ever used a Kreg Jig? I'm going to be doing a little tutorial on how to use that in this video. I love that tool. It helps out a lot with wood projects. But please subscribe to our channel if you have not yet. Like, share, and comment with our video. Thank you all so much. Stay tuned. I will be talking throughout the video at some points. Normally, you'll just see some subtitles coming up on the screen, but stay tuned throughout, okay? Thank you guys so much for watching Craft Life with the Sansburys. Okay, so now I got my boards laid out that I'll be putting for more supports. I was going to get 3/4 inch plywood or OSB to put over top, for the top of the shelves for things to sit on, but they didn't have any 3/4 inch, so I got about a 1/2 inch, I think. So I want to provide enough support in between there, but what I want to look at is, I want to position these where I can nail down the OSB to it. So I know I'm going to have an 8-foot strip, and I want to measure out about 8 feet so I know where to put my supports, because I do want to be able to nail that down to it. So here's 8 feet. Since that's 8 feet right here, hope y'all can see that. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take one of the boards and make sure that I have one of the supports nailed in right here. So when I go to put the OSB board down, I can nail part of it here and the other piece on top of that. Probably alternate 8-foot piece coming this way in the middle, and the bottom the 8-foot piece going that way, top 8-foot piece going that way. Gotcha. Let's get it. I was able to get the first piece cut for the shelf on the bottom, but I'm going to measure at the left end, I'm going to measure in the middle, and I'm going to measure at the far end. I think the saying goes, measure twice, cut once. Ta-da!